Hello there, how are you doing? Do you know the negative effect of greenhouse gases and global warming to the community ecology? Come on, let's learn. Definition of community ecology.
An ecological community is a group of actually or potentially interacting species living in the same location. Communities are bound together by a shared environment and network of influence each species has on the other.
Definition of global warming.
A gradual increase in the overall temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, generally attributed to the greenhouse effect caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, and other pollutants.
Definition of greenhouse gases. A layer of gases surrounds the Earth, keep the Earth's temperature nice and warm, have an undulating effect on our atmosphere.
The competitive inclusion principle states that two species cannot occupy the same niche in a habitat. In other words, different species cannot coexist in a community if they are competing for all the same resources.
Basic elements of communities.
Autotrophs and heterotrophs, all biological communities, have a basic structure of interaction that forms a trophic pyramids. The trophic pyramid is made up of trophic levels, and the food energy is passed from one level to the next along the food chain.
Energy transfer and heat loss along a food chain. The autotrophs are the primary producers of the ecosystem. They do not obtain energy and nutrients by eating other organisms. Instead, they harness solar energy by photosynthesis or, more rarely, chemical energy by oxidation to make organic substances from inorganic ones. All other organisms in the ecosystem are consumers called heterotrophs, which either directly or indirectly depend on the producers for food energy. Ecosystem energy transfer. At each trophic level, only a small proportion of energy is transferred to the next level. The higher the organism is on the trophic pyramid, the less energy is available to it. Herbivores and detritivores have a less available energy than plants, and the carnivores that feed on herbivores and detritivores and those that eat other carnivores have at the least amount of available energy.